person will tend to increase during summer according by Adolf Quetelet. Ang crime against property naman will tend to increase during blank. Letter A, tropical. Letter B, winter. So yun, nandito tayo sa ating random chronology quiz, which is magtatanong pa din tayo ng mga chronology topics sa ating mga future criminologists. At syempre, bawat tama nila is meron silang makukuhang kunting prize, but the essence of the video is nakatulong tayo sa ating mga future criminologists as well as nare-refresh yung mga knowledge nila. So okay ba tayo dyan, Ton? Pero bago yan, pakilala muna.
Ako po si Christian Gilar Igrubay.
Ako po si Jomer Tayong Pilorina.
Okay, so yun. Ito yung unang tanong natin, Tol. Okay, so according to one of the famous criminologists, Adolf Quetelet, no? Sabi ni Adolf Quetelet, ang crime against person daw will tend to increase during summer. Okay, tataas daw yung crime against person kapag tag-init. Ang sabi naman ni Adolf Quetelet, ang crime against property will tend to increase during blank. Okay, so ulitin ko yung tanong. Ang crime against person will tend to increase during summer according by Adolf Quetelet. Ang crime against property naman will tend to increase during blank. Letter A, tropical. Letter B, winter.
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 Okay, so yun, that is correct. That is winter, no? Tandaan po natin na tamang-tama po yung kanyang study din ni Adolf Quetelet according po sa ating Cartographic School of Criminology. Yun pong ating mga crime against person ay tataas po siya kapag tag-init po talaga. And syempre, pag crime against property, dito naman po tayo kapag winter taglamig. Okay? At syempre, meron kayong 20 pesos sa akin at syempre, para sa halagang 50 pesos, pag natama nyo, may 50 pesos na kayo sa akin, no? So syempre, at least may pang-snack tayo. Okay? So yung pangalawang tanong natin is simple pa din. Okay, so punta tayo sa ating juvenile delinquency. So sabi dito, no, under sa ating Republic Act 9344, Section 6 po natin, sa ating GJWA, sa Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act. Sabi po doon, no, kung nagkataon, a child, no, a 17 years old child, okay, committed a crime of robbery. Okay, upon further investigation, found out that he was acted with discernment. So ulitin ko, yung isang child daw, ang isang minor na nag-edad po siya ng 17 anyos po siya, no? Nakapag-commit po siya ng krimen na robbery. Pero, pag imbestiga, nalaman that he was acted with discernment. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, is he criminally liable? Okay, ulitin ko yung tanong. A child, 17 years old child, okay, committed a crime of robbery, and upon further investigation, found out that he was acted with discernment. Is he criminally liable? Letter A, yes. Letter B, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's also correct. The answer is yes. Tandaan lang po natin, no? Even though minor po siya, pero ang edad niya po kasi 17 na. Eh di pag may discernment naman po siya, is may liability na po siya, may criminal liability. Kasi po, pag sinabi po sa ating 9344 Section 6, kapag po ang above 15 but below 18 na child nakapag-commit ng krimen at found out na mayroong discernment, is now criminally liable. But yung kanya pong penalty is suspended sapagkat he can still enjoy his child life until he reach the age of emancipation. Makikita po natin yan under po ng ating RA 9344 Section 6. So paano? Meron kayong 50,000 yan. Andong ng San Joaquin Tambayan. Syempre, thank you so much po sa sa ating videographer pala. Walang iba kundi si Rolly Landao. And syempre, shout out tayo sa lahat ng CBRC students sa Cebu. At saka syempre, shout out po na kayo.
Shout out sa mga silingan sa Lutupan.
Shoutout ko po sa mga kapitbahay ko dyan sa Kawayan.
Sige.